Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, so I was thinking my hair isn't doing what I need for it to do. Also, it's like, I mean, my hair has been done for like 2 weeks. This is like the end of the wash and go. I can't do the wash and go anymore. It's almost time for me to wash my hair, which made me think sometimes when I pick my hair, which I haven't done in a long time, I don't pick it to its full capacity. How big y'all think my hair can get? Let's see. Okay, this is what I feel like doing. All right. So, all right, now I'm nervous. I don't know if you guys can see in camera, but my hair is so frizzy and it starts to look so like dull or something when it's old. I'm gonna start with this thing, which is not a pick, but you guys, if you've watched my videos for a long time, have seen me use this. Woo, woo. I mean, just okay. Can you tell, like, this side of my hair versus this side? I'm not even picking it, but what you can do to increase your volume. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, because I'm just gonna wash my hair. I don't know why I stop at a certain point when I'm picking my hair, because it's not as if, I mean, what could be the downfall? What could be the downfall? Oh, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. All I really want is to be happy. I don't know who sings that on TikTok, but it is in my head. Guys, this is like not even okay. All right. Ouch. I don't know what possessed me to do this, but why not take you guys along? So how are you guys doing? I have been really sad, and I don't really want to even talk about why I've been really sad, but oh, my hair was in my mouth. I have been so sad lately, and so I'm having to like push myself to do things that I genuinely just don't feel like doing. Last night, one of my coworkers who knows I'm sad and I appreciate her so much was like, let's go do Taco Tuesday. And as much as I wanted to just lay in my bed and become one with my sheets, it was good for me to get out. So I'm learning, my God, my hair is big right now. I'm learning again. You know, there are some things in life that literally you have to grieve. Now don't get me wrong, nothing will ever be as hard, or nothing that I've experienced to this point in life is as hard as losing my father and grieving that process, which also reassures me that no matter what happens, I'll be able to survive, because I've survived that. You know, it's still a process. I still grieve. Like, when people say, oh, it just gets better with time, that's a lie. But there are things that you experience in life that can be likened to actual grief. And I know that because I, you know, have lived, my God, my hair gets big, actual grief, right? So I feel like I'm in a grieving state for just something. And maybe the loss of certain ideas. I don't know. So I've just been sad. I said all that to say I've been sad. So I'm trying to push myself. My God! Sorry. My neighbors are probably like, what, the HE double hockey sticks? I've been having to like push myself, and I genuinely appreciate all the people who have like surrounded me right now. You don't even really realize how many people you have in your corner until you express how you're feeling, and the people show up, right? They show up for you. My God, why have I never done this? When my hair was even longer, because if you guys know, I big chopped in 2020. I never picked my hair out this extreme. Okay, this side is really uneven right now, so I should do this more. You know, because usually I'm like, I don't want to lose my definition. Well, girl, you might just have to start losing some definition, because baby. Oh my God, it's cute. All right, so I'm gonna just keep doing this. Yeah, see, like in here, we're losing all the curl, but I think that's kind of what we have to do. I'm really interested on how the wash process will be and detangling, because I've never done this. All I really want is to be happy. Why is this side? I don't know if I should keep going. Do I stop here? Do I need to? I don't know. Is this big enough? Go out. And I can't ask, like, I wanted to ask my mom, but then I remember my mom never had an afro. So. Is this it? I don't know what to think. I don't know. Would I feel better if there was no bang? Nope, I wouldn't feel better. This feels powerful though. Like something about this feels like we're going into Leo season. She's a Leo. This is feeling very dominant. Is that my problem? I'm too dominant. No, you don't have, you are, okay. Okay. Yeah. All right, so this is what I did. I don't know if you guys have any like picking big hair tips or anything. Actually, I didn't get, like, I thought when I picked my hair I was gonna get a lot of flaking and stuff. I didn't get a lot of that. But this is what we got. So I just really wanted to see it. I'm probably gonna wash my hair in the morning. I just wanted to see what would happen. Do you guys think I should wear my hair out like this? Do you guys think that it's more flattering when it's more defined? Like, what do you guys think is the best option? Or is all of it good? I don't know. This was just a little bit of an experiment on a random Wednesday night. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you didn't know I was back, I'm back. If you hadn't watched my vlogs, they there. Okay, bye guys. All I really want is to be happy. I don't know who sings that, but I need to get off TikTok because that's all that's in my head.